Here are a few clips from our next airplanehunters.org show. Scott unpacks the latest Halifax parts shipment from the Baltic Sea. You can smell the salt water, the seawater. So this is a piece of flap. So this is what the flap looks like in its entirety, and you saw earlier some of the parts we pulled out of the box. It's got that shape. This is actually the intermediate flap, but it's basically the same shape. It's the same parts. The only difference is that this flap tapers a little bit from end to end. Be sure to watch our next airplanehunters.org show with Carl and Scott as they rebuild a World War II Halifax aircraft for Canada.